Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm gonna show you how to speed up or slow down a video in Premiere Pro. It's really easy and really simple. Well, all you need to do is have your video in the time lapse, and then you click on the sequence, and you scroll down. Now you're gonna see speed slash duration. You're gonna want to click on that. This is the normal speed of the video. It's 100% and the duration of it is 14 minutes and 19 seconds. So if you want to speed it up, obviously you want to go over 100%. So let's go 900. And as you see, the duration has significantly been dropped down to 1 minute and 35 seconds. And we're gonna press OK, and we're gonna play the video, see how that goes. As you can see, the speed has gone up very quickly. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Now what if you just want to do a part of video, like a small section of it, to be sped up or speed down? All you have to do is, again, really simple. You want to grab the razor tool, click, let's find the part. Alright, for example, I want this part till maybe here to be the speed and duration to be really slow. So again, you click on that sequence. Now you have created a different clip than the original video. So now you double click again, go to speed and duration. As you can see, it's still 900, but now we want it to be slowed down. So if you want to slow down, you have to go below 100. And how you do that is basically you change the fucking percentage. So that's basically it. Let's put 20 for the sake of this video and press OK. As you see, the duration of that sequence have been changed to 11 and 51 minutes. So now let's play from here. So it's fast, and then it goes to really slow, and really slow where you can barely notice any movements. And that's pretty much it. Thank you, and make sure to leave a comment. Bye bye.